What do you say to people who don't enjoy or love their careers?
Oof, okay. If you don't love your career, I would say think about what you do love. So it might be having your own business, it might be a particular hobby, and think about your job as the feeder to that thing that you're really passionate about. So if you want to start a business, see your job as your first client because they're going to be the capital that you need for the business that you want to run. So that's what I would say is.
How did rejection make you who you are today?
Great question. So I think when I look at my journey, the failures, the rejection have actually been the pivotal moments to either change my course or to just actually show me that one of the things that I found is that with every failure, there were many successes within something that failed. So it's never you failed and that's the end. There are great successes that you can build upon and then the lessons that you can learn where you haven't done things the right way.
What advice would you give someone who's trying to pursue a similar career to yours?
Focus on your strengths. So I got into investment banking, not out of university, not out of a Red Brick or Russell Group, considered to be, just above average. I would say focus on the things that make you strong and bring them to that industry, and I guarantee the doors will open.
Why do you think some people don't get promotions in their corporate careers despite all the effort they put in?
Because they don't make it intentional. When considering promotion, we often fall back on if I'm the best at what I do, if I, meet the requirements and I'm operating as the organization wants me to, they will see me and they will promote me. But there are so many other people who are putting their hand up willingly, who are putting in the face time, who are building networks, who are getting sponsors and mentors. And those are the people who are getting picked above you. So I would say in order to get promoted, you've got to build that network and be intentional about it.
Brilliant. And the last question, what does freedom mean to you?
Oh, wonderful question. Freedom to me is being able to work enough or not at all, knowing that I have a system in place working behind me so that I can enjoy the life that I'm building with my husband and my son.
Forward thinking.